Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your wipers. Basically, how to adjust pressure on your wiper. You know very well, if you are driving and your wiper is making some weird noise or missing some spots on your glass, so basically you have to adjust that thing so that equally pressure can apply on wiper and they're gonna clean your glass properly. So to do this, just take out your wipers, and that thing should be 90-degree angle to your glass. So let me show you. There should be no gap here on the glass. As I can see, there is some gap over there, and on this one too. If this one is if this one is not 90-degree to your glass, then your wiper not gonna clean your glass properly. So you have to make sure it should be 90-degree. If you put, for your reference, just put glass, just put your wiper arm on glass, and you can see I am unable to put paper from here. From here, but if I'm putting from that side, I can put it in, right? You can see the gap, right? So basically we have to fill the gap. To fill that gap, we're gonna use a wrench, and we can move the arm little bit like this. To do this, you can use that thing, right? And we can, if you wanna put some tape over there, not to scratch over there, you can put tape, or you can use directly that thing. That's a 8-inch, and you can tighten it up, and you can twist it in the downward direction so that it will sit on the glass as a 90-degree. So you can put it back, and you can check with the paper. Yeah, see, it's not going in. So that's properly 90-degree. It's a hit and trial method, so you can do it until you get your perfect 90-degree angle. We'll go with that. It's the same thing with that wiper too. You have to push it a little bit like this, or twist it in a downward direction, and then you can use that paper to get to know it's properly 90-degree or not. So see, it's properly 90-degree. So once you are done, you can put your wiper back, and thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit and subscribe my channel.